Charts in Excel are highly customizable, offering a wide range of different elements that you can add, remove, or modify to suit your needs. This flexibility allows you to tailor charts precisely to the way you want to present your data visually. Understanding how to work with these chart components is essential to making your data clearer and more visually appealing. To begin adjusting your chart, first select the chart area you want to modify, then navigate to the design options, where you will find the ability to add new elements or remove existing ones from your chart. This approach makes it straightforward and efficient to manage the visual components that make up your chart. By adding or removing elements in your chart, the data becomes more visible and easier to interpret. It allows you to emphasize the most important parts of the data or clean up the visual display by removing unnecessary components. This customization can make the chart look more professional and easier for viewers to understand at a glance. You can also change the chart title to better reflect the specific data it represents. Giving the chart a clear and descriptive title helps others quickly grasp the chart's purpose. A well-labeled chart not only improves readability, but also enhances the overall presentation and impact of your data. Mastering these techniques for adding, removing, and editing chart elements will significantly improve your ability to communicate data visually in Excel. This knowledge ensures your charts are both informative and visually engaging, making your data presentations more effective.